Wow.
Hold on to that.
There's that one again. I hate that one. Whoa. My arm's getting tired.
This one is called Blazing Rebel.
Whoa. Perfect. That's cool. Whoa, whoa. Holy moly. Whoa.
Alright, that's illegal. Review! Oh, legal? Wait, what does it do?
Whoa.
Do it, do it! My beautiful, beautiful shirt! Alright, this one's called... Oh, Jamie, look at this one. Blazing Rebel.
My roots are too OP. I swear. Oh, Jesus!
That was small but cool. You want a ball for you? You want a ball for you? They don't count it as pollution because
Who's that, man? That was crazy.